Oh yeah. YouTube world, what is going on? This is just another Dre. Welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, you already know what it is. Hit that subscribe button down there. Stay tuned for anything I put out in the future. Check out the old stuff I put out there. You're gonna love it, trust me. And with that being said, let's get into the video. For all y'all to subscribe to me and follow me on Instagram, you already know I'll be streaming on YouTube. Even though you can stream on a Mac, it's way easier to stream on a PC. So I got a beefy ass PC below me right now with a 3070 Ti. You know, I do it big, you know. I try to do it big, but anyways. In order to edit, I do not edit on PC. I hate editing PC. I hate DaVinci Resolve. I hate Adobe Premiere. I hate all those stupid things. Final Cut for the win all the time. I've been using Final Cut for at least, I can't even remember. I'm using it for a long time. And I love the applications on it right now, especially with the M1s from last year. My wife has the M1 MacBook Pro. It can edit from time to time here and there, but you know, it's sometimes it actually shows that little stupid little rainbow thing that goes around, which I hate with Macs. So I said, you know what, the new ones are coming out. Let me save my money, get into that, man. So what we got right here is the brand new 14-inch MacBook Pro. All right, let's check the box around. You got a little Apple logo right there. Got the little MacBook Pro logo right here. All right, the base model is a 512 gigs. Still same 16 gigs of memory. The hard drive, I definitely needed double the space. I'm going to be editing actually off of the hard drive instead of the little Samsung drive that I have. They told me that the MacBook Pro's internal SSDs are way crazy. You know, so I'm going to be editing off of the internal SSD that's in here instead of the Samsung. So I want to double the space. So the base model starts at $199.99 with an 8-core CPU, 14-core GPU, same 16 gigs of memory, but a 512 SSD storage. The one specifically I have right here is actually the boost up, the next step up, which is $24.99. And that one includes 10-core CPU, 16-core GPU, same 16 gigs of memory, a 1 terabyte SSD. And for anybody out there that has educational stuff like that, you can actually get a discount if you do college emails or high school emails or even workers in Department of Education. You can definitely get discounts. Wow. Apple. Seriously? Get into this. Yeah, so something about unboxing the Apple product, man. I don't know what it is. I love it. I know I'm a fanboy. I know. Look at that wallpaper right there. Wonderful thing that Apple does. It takes a long time to open the boxes for the suspense. And there's another thing which I do love, that Apple's going into the eco-friendly or more recyclable paper and everything like that, which is definitely good. Especially nowadays, it's like the world's getting worse when it comes to this shit. All that noise, right? It's too much noise for no reason. Right. Ooh-wee. Put it into the side. Let's see what we got in the box. I don't know. Before we see what we got in the box, we gotta do one thing. Nothing like a fresh box. So in here we got the normal, typical books and shit. You know. Shout out to Flossie Carter. Ooh. Yo, look at black stickers. Come on, focus on that shit. Damn, look at them stickers, man. Black stickers. Yeah, you get it over there too. There you go. Damn. Alright, typical books. You know, telling you how to use shit. Who's gonna use this shit anyway? So now this time they have a bigger brick, another more of that paper. Alright, so now it's a 96 watts. It looks about the same size, same thing on here. This thing comes off. So you got the brick there. One thing that Apple did come back with, that MagSafe, baby. I mean, I know you can definitely still charge through the USB-C on one of the ports. You also have an option to charge with the MagSafe. Thank God, knock on wood. I've never tripped over things like this. I mean, I'm kind of anal. Pause. Hey, yo. Kind of anal when it comes to like my electronics. I'm very careful with them. That's really why I don't really buy Apple Care. To me, I feel like it's a waste of money, but still, like I'm still very careful with my stuff. Oh, it's braided though. It's braided on this, so it actually feels pretty nice. So on this side, you got an HDMI to connect to an external display, a USB-C, and of course, the SD card reader, which a lot of people definitely really wanted back. And on this side right here, you have the famous MagSafe charger, 2 USB Type-Cs, and a headphone jack. And the back of it actually has something that's actually into the back. It says MacBook Pro. Usually Apple has the MacBook Pro in the bottom of the display. I really don't care where it's at, honestly. I mean, but it's actually a good touch. It's different. They changed the body on this. It looks really, really nice. In the first boot. Got that Mac sound, baby. Got that paper in there. Fancy. Fancy. Well, hello. Hello, motherfucker. So I have the first initial setup right here. I'm actually going to set it up off camera. I'm not going to bore you guys with all that stuff and actually try to steal.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, I'm going to set it up off camera. I'm not going to bore you guys with that information. Plus, I don't want you guys stealing my shit. I see you. I see you. So that's it. It's just a quick unboxing of the brand new 14-inch MacBook Pro. If you can, please support the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Also hit me up on Instagram at just.another.dre. I'm out. All right. Peace.